Guests, visitors, to our energetic school administrator, Dr. Nesby Alegre, to the school staff, and our dear teachers, my fellow graduates, and most especially to our beloved parents. Good morning! On behalf of kindergarten graduating class, I would like to express our thanks to each of you for coming to this very memorable occasion in celebrating with us our graduation day. Today, we would like to give a heartfelt thanks to Dr. Nesby Alegre for providing us a pleasant and friendly surrounding conducive to our learning. To our dear advisor, Teacher Rina Bustamante, thank you for teaching and guiding us with all your patience, understanding, and love. We love you, teacher, and we will never forget you. To all my classmates, thank you for all the memories that we have shared together. To our beloved parents, thank you for sending us here at Heaven of Wisdom Academy, for providing us all we need every day to make us one among of the graduates. Above all, I would like to thank